Hey everyone, welcome to this course on forensic science from a biblical worldview. I am Dr. Jennifer Hall Rivera, the author of your textbook and lab manual, and I am just super excited to be sharing this video course with you as well. So we're going to be diving into several of the chapters, and you're going to be getting my unique perspective on that, as well as tips and other comments about how we use these in forensic investigation, and maybe a few stories here and there as well. But I know you're going to enjoy it, and I think it'll really enhance your understanding of the content that you're about to study. So I felt it was important to start this course out with a discussion of, well, what is science, right? I think it's very integral that you understand the foundation of what this word means and how we can clearly see that originates in Scripture.